Hello everyone, let's solve this question. So we have fractional equation here. 2x plus 3 out of 4 equals to x minus 2 out of 3. You can solve this by multiplying both with 12 because 4 and 3 has LCD of 12. So 2x plus 3 out of 4 you times with 12. X minus 2 out of 3 you times with 12. This is 3, that is 4. So 3, 2x plus 3, and 4x minus 2. Now you expand. You times each of them. Hence, that's going to be 6x plus 9, 4x minus 8. 6x minus 4x minus 8 minus 9. This is 2x equals to negative 17. X negative 17 out of 2, or x negative 8, 1 out of 2. Then for b, you can see that we have 2 and 3 for the denominator. So we can find the LCD. 6x out of 2 times 6 plus 2x out of 3 times 6 minus 4 times 6. Now this is can be cancelled. 3, 2. Now 3x plus 4x minus 24. So this is 7x equals to negative 24. So then we can find that x equals to negative 24 out of 7, or x equals to negative 3 out of 7. Okay, let's do the rest of the questions. We have c here, x plus 1 out of 3 plus 2x plus 3 out of 2 equals to 4. Again, we can see that the denominator 3 and 2, so the LCD can be 6. So you can multiply both with 6. So x plus 1 out of 3 times 6 plus 2x plus 3 out of 2 times 6, and this is 4 out of 1 times 6. Then this is going to be, this is 2, that is 3, and you can multiply this. So 2x plus 1, 3, 2x plus 3, and 4 times 6. Hence, this is going to be 2x plus 2, 6x plus 9, 24. So 2x plus 6x plus 2 plus 9 equals to 24. 8x, 24 minus 11. So x, that's 13 out of 8, which is x 1, 5 out of 8. Last question that we can see here for D. So for D, we have 2x plus 1 out of 3 minus x minus 2 out of 2 equals to 5. 3 and 2, the same, has LCD of 6. So 2x plus 1 out of 3 times 6 minus x minus 2 out of 2 times 6, and this is 5 out of 1 times 6. So we can simplify. This is 2 and 3, and you multiply this. So 2x plus 1 minus 3x minus 2 and 30. So you expand this one by one. Then this is going to be 4x plus 2 minus 3x plus 6, and that's 30. So 4x minus 3x plus 2 plus 6 equals to 30. X plus 8 equals to 30. Then x equals to 30 minus 8. X equals to 22. Okay?